A brand new listing from Hayden Outdoors, Sky Warrior Ridge is a self-sustaining homestead property. Included in this offering is a main house and a guest or bunkhouse suite on a 35.2-acre plot of land. The main house boasts 828 square feet of living space and includes 3 bedrooms, 2 lofts, a 3/4 bath, a well-equipped kitchen, and a laundry utility room. The guest bunkhouse has an open floor plan with a studio-type living bedroom and a full bathroom, as well as an attached 1-car garage. A newly built 54 by 40 barn has 3 stalls with a tack room and a nice-sized arena. There's plenty of room with the 96 by 156 arena to ride. A new barn, arena, and corrals complete this property. It comes with a 14-kilowatt propane Kohler house generator, hog pens, chicken pens, a fenced raised bed garden area, and a gated entrance. The land itself is gentle to rolling and provides 360-degree views of the surrounding area. This property is well equipped for you to live a self-sustaining lifestyle. There are plenty of opportunities for outdoor recreation in and around Custer County, making this property an attractive location for those who enjoy spending time in nature. To schedule a private showing, please contact Twyla Giroux at 719-371-4344.